Okay, friends, here we are starting with the questions of ratio and proportion. Okay, a mixture of alcohol and water are in ratio 6 raised to 1, or adding 8 liters of water, the ratio of alcohol to water becomes 6 raised to 5. Find the quantity of water that is mixed. Okay, so you know that the mixture of alcohol and water is what? 6 raised to 1. And on adding 8 liter of water, the ratio become how much? This is water and this is alcohol. So simply thing is 6x plus in alcohol you did not add water, right? You add water in water itself. So what was it? 1x plus 8, right? So the value of alcohol is constant. What you are increasing? You are increasing the value of water. So after adding 8 liter of water in water, what you get? You will get 6. Your ratio is coming 6s to 5. After doing this, this comes out to be 6x upon 1x or x plus 8 equal to 6 by 5. You can simply multiply this. So this comes out to be 30x equal to 6x plus 48. So after doing this, 24x equal to 48. So you can find out the value of x, that is 2. 2. So earlier how much water was there? Earlier 2 liter water was there and you added 8 liter of water. So 10 liter of water is there in the quantity. Okay. So the quantity of water is for how much? 10 liter. Okay, fine. Let's move towards next question. The ratio of two kind of tea. Now this type of question comes in your examination. Okay. The ratio of two kinds of tea must be mixed together, one at 9 per kg and another 15 per kg, so that the mixture cost 10.2 per kg. So in this type of question, what you have to do? 9 rupees per kg, 15 rupees per kg, and you have to mix both of them to make it 10.2 rupees per kg. So you have to simply minus from this. So after minus from this, what you get? 1.2. And when you minus 15 from this, you will get the another quantity. So after subtracting 15 from this, what you get? 15 minus 10.2, that will give you the value. That value comes out to be 4.8, right? You come to know that this value is 4.8. So you have to simply find out the ratio of first quantity and second quantity, at what proportion they have to mix. So 4.8 by 1.2, this comes out to be what? 4 by 1. So means you have to add 4 kg of 9 rupees tea and 1 kg of 15 rupees tea in order to make such combination, in order to get the price as 10.2 rupees. Okay, simple question. Let's move towards next question. Now this is type of question that may come to your examination. 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. Find out the value of a, b, c. So you can see here this is three different quantities, right? So you have to make this quantity same. So 2 comma 3 comma 4, you have to find out LCM of it. So after finding the LCM, what you get? You get 12, right? So how you find LCM? You have to simply multiply all the number by, or simply you have to keep it like this, divide by 2. Okay, 1, 3, 2, simple. This comes out to be 3, 1, 3. So 4 into 3, 12. Okay, this comes out to be 12. So after that, if you divide it by 12 every number, so you get the value. A comes out to be 6, B comes out to be how much? After dividing it, 4, and C comes out to be how much? C comes out to be 3. So you get the value of A, B, C. Now you can find out the ratio. The ratio is 6 comma 4 comma 3. It cannot be cut further. So this is the final ratio. Okay, A, B, C. Simple question. Okay, so let's say this question that A by 2 equal to B by 3 equal to C by 4. So this is direct question. Whenever I told you the previous question like this was, right, we solve it. So if such type of question comes, or whenever you see something upon its ratio, that is simply its value. So A value is 2, B value is 3, and C value is 4. The ratio you can directly get. So this is just sometimes such question comes which is simple, but you do mistake in that. So the answer is in front of you. Just you have to see it. AB are in ratio 2 by 3. BC in ratio 1 by 2 and CD in ratio 5 by 2. So I told you how to continue the series. You have to go straight. This going straight. B by C is 1 by 2. So 1 ahead, 2 this way, 5 by 2. So 5 ahead and 5 ahead. You cannot go like this because this will be something like coming round, right? So you have to go straight. So by straight you can do this. You have to find the ratio A comma B comma C comma D. So after solving this, you will get A as 10, B as 15, C as 6 into 5, that is 30, and D as 4 into 3, that is 12. So now you cannot cut it further because 12 is there, and if you cut with 2, 15 is there, so it cannot be cut. So this will be the ratio of A, B, C, D. Thank you.